Hi my wonderful traders, and a warm welcome back to my channel. So today is a weekend and I'll be trading on the OTC charts. So these OTCs are not stock quotes, therefore only technical analysis is applicable to them, fundamental analysis is not. And also you can be able to use indicator signals. So today I'll be using the moving average indicator, and I'm going to be explaining to you how to interpret this indicator, find good entry points on the market, and make very good profit. So now I'll remind you how this indicator works. It's already connected and all the settings are left by default. The indicator looks like a middle one which is formed directly on the chart, and the signal of this indicator is a moment when, for example, the price crosses the middle sliding from top to bottom and then continues to move further. Also the middle one itself turns around and begins to move after the price. This means that at this point there was a trend reversal, and in the near future there's a downward movement. In a similar situation, you can open a deal for a decrease, and when, for example, the price crosses the middle sliding from bottom to top and also continues to move further, at the same time the average sliding itself turns around and moves after the price. This means that from this point there was a turn, and in the near future an upward movement is expected. Also, of course, to keep in mind when trading with this indicator, you need to mainly rely on technical analysis. This means that you need to look at how price is approaching the different levels on the market before using the indicator signals in order to avoid errors. Let me find my first entry point and explain it to you. So here we can see that the last time there was an ascending movement, and at a certain point there was a reversal. Red candlesticks began to form. At the same time, you can see the price crossed the middle sliding from top to bottom and continued to move further. Also, the middle sliding itself turned around and moved after the price. Surely in the near future the price will move in the correction zone. That is, there will be at least a slight drop down. On this downward movement, I'll try and very good profit. So now let's look at the price and see what will happen in the next minute. If you have any questions concerning today's trade, I'm ready and willing to reply to all your questions. You can ask them in my private chat in Telegram channel. There is a link under the video. It's a link to my personal chat. Just write me with the code word money team and I'll add you to this private chat. It's not bad, friends. You can see the price continues to move down, and here I got a very good profit. I correctly predicted further price movement with the help of the indicator, and as you can understand, it helps to determine the turning point of the price. This is a good start. Let me continue. Here below we have the support level. Also, at the moment, the price has turned around and red candlesticks are forming. At the same time, the price crossed the middle sliding from top to bottom and moved further. Also, the middle sliding itself turned around and moved after the price. I suggest in this situation to open a deal with a margin of 2 minutes for a decrease in the current trend, with a greater probability that the price will continue to move to the level, since the price also has a good potential for a decrease. Also, you can see the main price maximums are decreasing. That is, the total price potential is moving down predominantly. It's on this downward movement that will try and earn very good money. So let's look at the price and see what will happen next. This is awesome. You can see the indicator turned out to be right again and gave me a good entry point, and in combination with technical analysis, the indicator works quite well. I got very good profit here. Let me continue. So friends, here we have the support level. You can see at the same time that after the rollback, the price turned around and crossed the middle sliding from top to bottom, after which it continued to move to the level. I'm suggesting in this situation to open the deal literally for 1 minute for a decrease, because the price has a good potential for a decrease, and just at the moment you can see the price goes beyond the level. This means that it's quite possible that we ourselves will get into the impulsive movement of the price downwards into the very breakthrough of the level, and as a rule in such situations 1 minute is quite enough for this. So let me wait for the results. Well friends, it's not bad at all. The price continued to move down and the support level was broken through. Here I got a very good profit. I was able to have enough time to work with this ongoing movement and everything is going well. Let me continue. So here you can see from a certain point there was a turn. At the same time, the price crossed the middle, sliding from top to bottom. Here I'm going to open a deal for 1 minute for a decrease, because I can see at the top we have a certain resistance zone, and just at this moment the price pushed away from this zone and moved down, and red candlesticks are formed. It's most likely in the near future the price will continue to move in the correction zone and there will be a downward trend. On this downward movement I'm trying to earn very good profit, and I think 1 minute will be enough time here. Let me wait for the end of this trade. Don't forget to support my channel if you really like today's video by liking the video, sharing this video, and subscribing down below to my channel. This is excellent friends. You can see the price really hit the correction zone. There was a drop down and here I got a very good profit. You can see with the help of this indicator I managed to work on this movement here. Everything is going well. Let me continue. So here friends, you can see there was a good confident rising trend. At the same time the price crossed the middle, sliding from top to bottom and most further. I suggest to open a deal for 1 minute for a decrease. It's likely that after a confident upward movement the price will also hit the correction zone and there will be a downtrend. On this downward movement I want to earn very good profit. I'm hoping 1 minute will be enough. Let me watch this price and see the results. It's not bad at all friends. You can see the price still continued to move down and here I got a very good profit. You can see I had enough time to work with you on this downward movement. 1 minute was quite enough for this, and as you may have noticed, the situation is similar to the previous situation. You can see that such situations really work out the same. Therefore this proves the point that situations on the market repeat themselves. Let me continue. So here at the bottom we have the support level. In this situation, I'm going to immediately open a deal for 1 minute for a decrease. Since I can see after the first touch of the level, there was a rollback up. After the rollback, the price turned around and at the same time, it crossed the middle, sliding from top to bottom and continued to move further. Also, you can see the middle sliding itself turned around and moved after the price. At the same time, you can see the main price highs are getting lower. That is, the price is moving down predominantly. And it's on this downward movement that I try and earn very good profit. And as you may have noticed today, I've already worked out on a similar situation. I'm hoping that 1 minute will be enough. Let me wait for the results. This is excellent friends. The price continued to move down and here I got a very good profit. Also the indicator was right again and told me a very good entry point. And you can see that situations work out well for themselves. So let me continue trading and see what will happen on the market next. So here you can see that after the roll down, the price turned and while it crossed the middle, sliding from bottom to top, it continues to move further. Also the middle one, which was a sliding, turned around and began to move after the price. I propose to open a deal here for 2 minutes for an increase in the rising trend. With a greater probability the price will continue to move to the level, since the price here has a good potential for an increase. Also the main price minimums are becoming higher. At the same time, in 2 minutes I took with the margin, taking into account the possibility of a drop down. But let me wait for the results. This is awesome friends. You can see after a small roll down, the movement up continued and here I got a very good profit. Again, I was able to predict further price movement with the help of this indicator. You can see in the meantime, I already have $3,000 on my deposit. I propose to open one more deal for today. Let me find something interesting. Here you can see there was a good confident rising trend and green candlesticks were primarily formed, and at a certain point there was a reversal. Red candlesticks began to form. At the same time, the price crossed the middle, sliding from top to bottom and continues to move further. Also the middle one, which is sliding, starts to turn around and move after the price. Here I'm going to open a deal for 1 minute for a decrease, with a greater probability that after a confident upward movement, the price will fall into the correction zone and there will be a fall in the opposite direction. It is on this descending correctional movement that I'll try and earn very good profit, and as a rule in such situations, 1 minute is quite enough, and I'm hoping that this time I'll be able to work on this descending correctional movement. Let me wait for the results. This is excellent friends. As you can see, the price continues to move down and here I got a very good profit. 1 minute was enough time for me. You can see I had enough time to work on this descending movement. Meanwhile, I already have 5,500 in my deposit. I suggest to stop here and finish this trade. So as you saw, trading on OTC currency charts is similar to trading on normal currency charts. You can apply technical analysis and use the help of indicators to find good entry points. As I did today, I was able to hit my goal. You can be able to do it as well. If you have any questions concerning today's trade, I'm ready and willing to reply to all your questions. You can ask them in my private chat in Telegram channel. There is a link under the video. It's a link to my personal chat. Just write me with the code word money team and I'll add you to this private chat. And don't forget to support my channel if you really like today's video by liking the video, sharing this video, and subscribing down below to my channel. So until next time, I wish you good luck in your trades. Bye bye.